Understanding everyday English. The cake is lumpy. Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common, yet intriguing phrase, the cake is lumpy. This expression might sound straightforward, but it holds more meaning than meets the eye, especially for English language learners. Stay tuned as we unpack its significance and usage in everyday English. When we say, the cake is lumpy, we're describing its texture. A cake is expected to be smooth and fluffy, but when it's lumpy, it has small, hard bits or balls within it, which are not mixed properly. This phrase can be taken literally, referring to the actual physical state of a cake, or metaphorically, to describe situations or things that are not going as smoothly as expected. In a literal sense, the cake is lumpy points to a common problem in baking. It suggests that the batter wasn't mixed well, leading to uneven texture. This section could include tips for avoiding lumps in cake batter, like sifting the flour or mixing the batter thoroughly. Understanding this phrase can be quite useful in everyday conversations, especially for those who love baking and cooking. Metaphorically, the cake is lumpy can describe any situation that's less than ideal or has problems that need to be smoothed out. For example, if a project at work is not progressing smoothly because of unexpected issues, one might say, "This project is a bit lumpy." This usage highlights the versatility of English phrases in conveying nuanced meanings. This phrase also offers a glimpse into cultural nuances in English-speaking countries, where food-related metaphors are common. Similar expressions, like, "That's a tough cookie," or, "It's not all gravy," use food to describe life's challenges and situations. Understanding such phrases enriches your comprehension of the language and its cultural context. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and uses of "the cake is lumpy." Whether you're baking an actual cake or navigating the lumpy situations of life, this phrase is a testament to the richness and creativity of the English language. Keep exploring these expressions, and you'll find yourself becoming more fluent and confident in your English skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.